Welcome to Next Good Bets. In this video, I will talk about my blog where I filter stocks daily and put off three different lists. First list is to buy stocks that have recently started going up and there is good room for going up in the future. These are good for short-term trading that can take a couple of weeks to 3-4 months time. Some of these examples where we have seen good movements are Gestel, Somani Sera, Adani Gas. These have some of these have doubled, some of them have more than tripled. All of these stocks will show up. You can note here, no stock goes up a lot without showing up in either of the lists, first two lists. So first two are for stocks that are going up. Third list is for stock that is going down. So no stock goes into downtrend without showing up in the third list. That is basically whatever stock is going up or down based on some criteria, they will show up in the first two list or the third list. First list is going to be your stock pick. If you already have some stocks in your watch list and when it shows up here, you can scale up more into that stock. Whereas when it after scaling up, when it starts showing up into the second list two or three times, then you can start selling it partially. Third list is for catching good stocks, but currently they are falling. So it usually happens sometimes that good stocks tend to pull back, go into consolidation mode for some time, and then eventually they resume uptrend and then go up. Either it is news based or it is simply the market behavior. Sometimes the money rotates from one sector to another. So at that time, some good stocks pull back. So in yesterday's list, you can see AFL is one. It has trended a long time since March low. It was at 1,000. It reached 5,000 levels. It went more than that, but recently it pulled back to this level. It is at good level to buy. But then there is no guarantee that it will rise immediately in the next month. For that kind of the first list is for potential movements. There is high probability that these stocks will move up in the next few weeks. Even if they pull back and you average it, they still can get back to the same level so you can get out with partial profit or without loss. Third list is fundamentally good stock but buying at bargain. And if you have patience, you can wait for a long time like 5 months or 1 year. Then you may expect to get good gains when the company's performance improves. You can check out daily lists from my blog by going to nextgoodbits.blogspot.com. Also, I filter further lists based on average turnover and some fundamentals. Those I post in the Telegram channel. As you can see, daily lists are filtered further. When you buy this, you don't have to worry in case the market starts falling, you can average them. With this, I have completed the daily lists of my blog. You can go check out and trade. Happy trading.